Have you ever wondered how mobile games are created? It's a fascinating process that involves a blend of creativity, technical know-how, and a powerful tool like Unity. Today we're going to delve into the world of mobile game creation, breaking it down into easy-to-understand steps. First and foremost, it's all about the idea. Every great game starts with a compelling concept. Whether it's an epic adventure or a simple puzzle, the idea is the cornerstone of your game. It's the spark that ignites the whole process. Once you have your idea, the next step is designing your game. This involves creating a blueprint of how your game will work. You need to think about the gameplay mechanics, the characters, the storyline, the levels, and so much more. This step is all about planning and preparation. It's about setting the stage for your game. Next, you move on to the development phase where Unity comes into play. Unity is a powerful game development platform that allows you to bring your designs to life. You'll start by importing your assets. These can be anything from 3D models to sound effects. Unity supports a wide range of file formats, making it an incredibly versatile tool. Once your assets are in Unity, you can start building your game scene by scene. Unity's intuitive interface allows you to place your assets in a virtual environment and manipulate them to create your game world. You can adjust the lighting, the camera angles, the physics, and much more. But what's a game without interaction? This is where coding comes in. Unity uses a scripting language called C#. This language allows you to create the rules for your game, to make it interactive. You dictate what happens when a player does something like moving a character or firing a weapon. Testing is the next critical step. It's about playing your game over and over again to find any bugs or glitches. It's about making sure that your game works as intended, that it's fun to play, and that it provides a smooth experience for the player. Finally, once you're happy with your game, you can publish it. Unity supports a wide range of mobile platforms, including iOS and Android. You can export your game directly from Unity and upload it to the App Store of your choice. So, to recap, creating a mobile game involves coming up with a great idea, designing your game, developing it with Unity, coding the interactions, testing it thoroughly, and finally, publishing it. Each step is crucial in its own way, contributing to the overall success of your game. Remember, creating a mobile game isn't just about the technical aspects. It's also about creating something fun, something that people will want to play. It's about bringing your ideas to life and sharing them with the world. So why not give it a try? Who knows, you might just create the next big hit.